AI, ML-enabled software as a medical device, SaMD, Lifecycle management. The lifecycle of AI, ML-enabled software as a medical device, SaMD, is a journey that unfolds through structured, critical phases, each marked by rigorous regulatory adherence and a strong commitment to patient safety. Each stage demands specialized focus, balancing innovation with the need for transparency, reliability, and consistent performance. Pre-regulatory considerations. This phase is like preparing the groundwork for a successful journey. Developers start by defining the regulatory landscape they need to navigate, becoming familiar with key FDA classifications and international standards like IEC 62304 and ISO 13485. By aligning their SaMD product with these standards, they create a roadmap for smooth regulatory approval and product safety, setting a solid foundation before any coding begins. Regulatory determination. The next step in the journey is to determine how the product will be classified based on its risk level, whether it's a low-risk tool or a high-risk, life-sustaining device. This classification influences the regulatory path the device will take, such as a 510(k) submission for moderate-risk devices or a pre-market approval (PMA) for high-risk products. The FDA also encourages pre-submissions to align expectations early, which is particularly valuable for SaMD with AI, ML that might adapt over time, helping ensure that the regulatory route is clear from the outset. Project planning. With the regulatory pathway defined, developers turn to meticulous project planning. This stage involves managing timelines, budgeting, and assembling a team of experts, from engineers to regulatory professionals, to keep the development process efficient and cost-effective. Well-defined plans help avoid delays and cost overruns, setting the project up for success through each subsequent phase. Quality management system. The foundation of safe, effective AI, ML-enabled SaMD lies in a robust quality management system. Adherence to ISO 13485 and IEC 62304 standards means integrating quality and risk management at every step, from development to post-market. Developers also employ good machine learning practices, GMLP, to ensure that AI models are built on reliable data and operate consistently, minimizing biases and enhancing safety. Design planning and inputs. In this phase, the design blueprint is created based on detailed user needs and regulatory criteria. Transparency and patient-centered design are prioritized, ensuring that users can understand and trust the AI's decisions. This design framework includes user-friendly elements to promote trust and safety and includes regular updates on model evolution, which helps maintain both compliance and confidence among users. Design outputs. Design outputs translate initial concepts into real, functional software elements, such as user interfaces and operational modules. Rigorous verification and validation processes ensure these components align with safety and design specifications. Planning for post-deployment support, like maintenance and updates, ensures that the software stays effective and secure even after it hits the market. Verification and validation. This phase confirms that the AI, ML-enabled SaMD functions as expected and meets regulatory requirements. Verification checks design accuracy, while validation ensures real-world applicability, with special focus on AI algorithms that adapt over time. The FDA's Predetermined Change Control Plan (PCCP) framework enables developers to define potential updates in advance, allowing flexibility for AI models to learn and improve without undergoing full regulatory resubmission, provided safety and efficacy are maintained. Design transfer. The design transfer phase marks the transition of AI, ML-enabled SaMD from development to market readiness. This includes setting up configurations, user training, and post-deployment support. For cloud-based SaMD, techniques like checksums confirm data integrity across platforms, ensuring reliable software performance once deployed in clinical settings. This phase is essential for preparing the software to operate in real healthcare environments. Post-deployment monitoring. Post-deployment monitoring is a continuous oversight process, essential for AI, ML-enabled SaMD as it adapts to real-world data. Unlike traditional software, this adaptive technology requires constant surveillance to identify and mitigate new risks. Through real-world performance monitoring, RWP, and regular collection of real-world data, developers maintain an ongoing feedback loop with the FDA, which supports safety and efficacy while the software evolves in clinical practice. In this journey from concept to clinical deployment, each phase of the SaMD lifecycle is crucial to delivering a reliable, compliant, and safe product. By addressing each regulatory checkpoint and integrating patient-centered design, developers ensure that their AI, ML-enabled SaMD not only meets FDA standards, but also holds the trust of healthcare providers and patients, supporting a safer and more effective healthcare experience.